to change the starter clutch. Right? Now you have two different types of starter clutch. You got a roller rim starter clutch. This is the roller rim starter clutch, never finished. And you got an overrunning starter clutch. That's the one that the scooter came with.
As of right now, count this date when this video is posted, there has been no US sellers, to my knowledge whatsoever, that has known about that. This is called a high performance starter clutch. Well, my ass high performance. As you can see, it's easy to take out, right? Watch this. Wow. Alright, so this one is the everlasting starter clutch.
Now the difference is the overrunning starter clutch has two parts, and it's made out of 3 brackets. You got one here, and one here. While the roller rim starter clutch, it is sealed with smaller brackets that are rolling, right? And then you have the clip right here. If you can look closely, you can see it. So I'll need a little pen to take this out. So that means that those roller rim starter clutch, they never finished. Either in car, motorcycle, scooters, they all look the same. It's just that, you know, some of them are bigger, some of them way more better, but you get the idea. Now these things are rare, like one of a kind rare, and if you have no scooter motor experience, as in rebuilding motors all the time from different types such as John Way, Tao, you know, Bentelli and all that, you would never know what these are. You know, you go on YouTube and find these amateurs saying that, oh yeah, go with Glaxal 20 Sprag design, it's better. But as you can see, this is a game changer. This is the best. First things first, we need 3 things. We need a plastic glove. We need a, what is this? 11/16 socket wrench. This is the water can, bottle, whatever you call it. I need it to be as much as possible. That way. Okay. Because the scooter. See that? The exhaust is taken out by a 10mm bolt underneath. And it has to be on the center stand. Now, I don't want to take all the exhaust out because you have a gasket right here, and it's perfectly sealed, so by tampering with it, you reduce the seal and you have an exhaust leak. So if I take it out from here, I'm going to have to change the gasket. So what I'm going to do, this is about 13 mil for the Tao Lancer model. Hold it right here. That's it. Here we go. Taking out the exhaust. Because I like to do things quick all the time. I don't like to waste time. I'm going to do it my way. Right? Now watch where I take this out from. Not everywhere, but just certain spots. Not everywhere. To remove the shroud. Now the shroud is removed. Next, you're gonna remove this with a 10mm. Yep. The vibration might kill it, so I'm only gonna use that. That's all you gotta do, just loosen it, right? You don't want to remove it completely yet. You want to loosen it, because I like to bring the big guns. The one that's gonna hold it. I like it right here. So you press here, and just like that, it's off. Alright, now you need to remove that. Alright, once you remove that, you push it backward. Alright, then you remove these at 10 mil since they're loosened. That's pretty much it. That's it. Move the nut. Slide this open. And eventually I got this out. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the fan. Alright, same thing as the drain. Reverse thread, impact wrench. That's it. This is a flywheel puller. The way this works is, pull this all the way out. You go counterclockwise. That's how it goes in. And you pull this out, and you go again, and you go again, you go again until it's tight, like that. You're gonna need this. Alright, and you're gonna need this. Now you're gonna do it forward. It's the same size. You need this so you can hold it. So before you do anything, you have to break them. Now that everything is broken, you're gonna use this. First, take out the pickup coil. That was some really good Loctite, man. Ain't never gonna see a Loctite like that again. The screw you take out from the stator is different. The one that you're going to take out from the main crankcase. So put them aside, because often from time to time you can change the stator. So you need to know where these things are located. Okay. So you take out the flywheel, you take out the pickup coil, and you take out the stator. Alright, so we're breaking everything. One. And this is how we do this. So the top starts here. I'm going to poke this right here, and I put it here. So you got the U shape right. Let's see what we got. Well, I'll be damned. So now you got the gasket, you got the oil, and you got the gear. Now, this one right here is a reverse thread clutch. The castle nut. So to remove it, you have to go forward like this. To remove it, watch. That's it. And there you have it. This one is removed right here. Right? Make sure you remove them accordingly. Right? And you get the Rudolph key. So you see how cheap this is? Just like that, it come apart. So you got that one right here. I got my main guy right here. This one has a washer. Don't forget to know where the washer is at, right? The washer comes first. So this is it. This is a 3 Sprag design. You can see 1 Sprag here, 1 Sprag here, and 1 Sprag here. You think that this is good quality, but believe me, after 3,000 kilometers, this thing breaks instantly. Then you're gonna have a free spin whenever you start the engine.